So, what if he doesn't show up?
No, we scared the hell out of that crooked lawyer.
We did.
Yeah, he knows that we'll pay him another visit if he lied. So if he said Martin Proctor will be here tonight, he'll be here.
All right. There he is. Okay.
I wish we knew what he was saying.
No, I got it. He says something's wrong. I can't reach Teddy. We need to move the lab tonight, get the last batch out. Come on, we gotta go. Let's go follow him.
How the hell did you hear that?
I didn't. So a bunch of us, we took a lip reading class so we can know what the police were saying about us while we were protesting.
You know, you're not bad at this.
Really?
Don't get a big head. I said not bad. Not good.
Okay.
Not bad.
Okay.
Let's go.
All right.
Yeah, got you now.
I was just about to.
Yeah, I'm on Cayman.
He's got his bit boys with him, and they're with a bunch of guys, men in black tie. My gut tells me they're up to something, because they got enough firepower to start a war.
Stop following him. I'm caught up. I can't back you up.
I got to.
This is bad. I can feel it.
Anderson,